Word makes it easy to add a numbered list to your document. Just start out typing the number you want to start with, type a period. As soon as you hit the space bar, it assumes you want a numbered list. So I'll quickly type my list. I'll hit return at the end of each line. And then when I'm finished with my list, I'll just hit the return key one more time. And then I'm back to typing just regular paragraphs. In this document, I have two different sets of instructions. I'd like to change the number formatting for the instructions to create a paper airplane. So I'll select the text, and then on the Home tab, I'll go to the drop-down portion of the number list, and I'll choose the number with a parentheses. For this second example, I want the word step and then the actual number. So I'll select the text, I'll go back to the drop-down, and this time I'll go down to Define New Number Format. I'll click at the beginning of the number and I'll type the word step. Then I'll click the font button. I'll make it bold and I'll change the color. When I choose OK, OK again, I have my new custom numbering.